An ancient counting device with counters sliding on wires or in grooves. Beads on a frame which are used to count, commonly used before computer age. Abacus. Abandon. To leave completely and finally desert, forsake, to surrender or give over. Noun. After surrender to one's feeling, impulses, stop something in progress. Iwan. Pabayaang ganap. He was abandoned by his parents. Siya ay pinabayaang ganap ng kanyang mga magulang. Abandon. The party to whom a right or property is abandoned, especially an insurer to whom a property has been relinquished. A person who has been abandoned, binabayaan, napabayaan. Abase. Degrade. To lower in position, rank, or prestige. Humiliate. Cast down. Humble. Pababain o bawasan ang posisyon o rango. He was abased from being an auditor. Siya ay binaban ng rango mula sa pagiging auditor. Abash. To destroy the self-confidence of, make, embarrass, disconcert, panira ng lakas loob. Abate. Reduce in size, number, amount, speed, or force. Paupay. Wakasan. Abattoir. A building in which animals are killed for their meat. Matadero. Lugar kung saan kinakatay ang mga hayop. His father works at the abattoir. Ang ama niya ay nagtatrabaho sa matadero. Abay.
Anong abay?
Abayo.
Anong spelling?
A-B-B-E-Y.
Abi.
Abi. Monastery under the supervision of abbot. The monastic establishment of the society of monks under the jurisdiction
Asan?
jurisdiction of an
Jurisdiction.
abbot or of nuns under an abbess o abbey.
Abi.
Timo.
Abi.
Abi. A society of monks under the jurisdiction of an abbot or of nuns under the abbey, monastery o kumbento. Hermitage, monastery, convent,
Hermitage.
nunnery, priory. Nuns live in the monastery. Nakatira ang mga madre sa monasteryo. Abbot, a man who is the head of superior of a monastery. Puno ng monasteryo o kumbento. He is the abbot of his monastery. Siya ang puno ng monasteryong ito. Mamatingnan mo yun ng
A-N-A-N-G. Mali yung ano.
abbreviation or abbreviation, pagdadaglat. Abbreviate, to condense or make briefer, to shorten a word, text, or expression. Daglatin, paiksiin ang salita o pangungusap. Pati ng ilong ko. Abbreviated, shortened, made briefer, constituting a shorter or smaller version